Hello everyone and welcome to HGS Media Plus. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step on how to make money online. Now, so many persons out there has been scraping the internet looking for one or two platforms to make money online. But there's this particular platform that is overlooked because maybe for one or two reasons they do not understand the concept of this platform. But this platform has actually helped so many persons to make money online. And this platform is very easy to use. If you are someone who has skills like a website designer, a fashion designer, a graphics designer, or any skills of your choice, you can actually use this platform to utilize your skills and make money online. And the name of this platform is Fiverr. Now, Sammy here is going to be giving us a breakdown on Fiverr and the steps you need to take to make sure you create a successful profile and use it to make money online. Now, listen to Sammy as he gives us breakdown on this.
Thank you, Humphrey. Hello, my name is Sammy and I am going to be running you through step by step on how you can make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the best platforms for freelancers to earn from their skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, or marketer, Fiverr gives you the opportunity to work from anywhere. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start and succeed on Fiverr. Now, why choose Fiverr? Fiverr is a great choice because it's free to start. You set your own prices. There's a high demand for digital services. You can work from anywhere in the world. Step number 1. Choose a service to offer. The first step is choosing what service to offer. Some popular Fiverr categories include writing and translation, graphic design, programming and tech, marketing and SEO, and video and animation. If you don't have a skill yet, learn one through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or YouTube. Step number 2. How to set up your Fiverr profile. Your profile is your online resume. To stand out, you have to use a professional photo, write an engaging bio, showcase your skills and experience. Step number 3. Create a high-quality gig. Your gig is what buyers see, so make sure it's professional. This can be done by using a clear and catchy title, writing an engaging description, adding professional images or videos, offering different pricing packages. Step number 4. Fiverr SEO. Make your gig seen by more eyeballs. Fiverr is a search engine, so use keywords in your gig title, description, and tags to improve visibility. Step number 5. Delivering high-quality work. To succeed in Fiverr, always communicate clearly with buyers. Deliver work on time. Offer great customer service. Get 5-star reviews to build your reputation. Step number 6. Promote your Fiverr gigs. To promote your Fiverr gigs, boost your Fiverr sales by sharing your gig on social media, posting in relevant Facebook groups and forums, using Pinterest to showcase designs, running small ads optional. Step number 7. How much can you earn? Many Fiverr freelancers make over $500 to $5,000 plus per month. Some scale to 6 figures by offering premium services and managing multiple clients. Final tips for success. To maximize your success on Fiverr, start with competitive pricing to gain reviews. Over-deliver to impress clients. Stay active to improve visibility. Keep learning new skills to stay in demand. Fiverr is a great way to earn money online with your skills. The key is consistency, quality, and great customer service. I will now leave you in the hands of my co-host for the conclusion of this video.
So guys, you heard it. Fiverr is a great way to make money online. So if you know you'll be skipping Fiverr or you'll be overlooking it, I want you to give a rethink about it and focus on these steps that Sammy has given to you guys today. Alright, so guys, if you're just joining this channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel at HGS Media Plus. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to other persons out there who are looking for platforms to actually make money online. Okay, so guys, till we see you in our next video. Bye bye.